Some time ago, I was editing a video for my channel. My focus was completely in and the flow of editing was going pretty fast. I was gonna be finished soon and all of a sudden a notification came on my phone. It completely knocked my focus over. I told myself, okay, I'm not gonna check it, okay? I'm not gonna check my phone. I'm focused on editing right now. I'm gonna ignore it. At the back of my mind, or my subconsciously, I was just thinking about that notification. I was speculating what it could be, who is sending the message and everything. At the end, it was slowing my editing too much and I just went to check that notification and turn my phone off and go back to editing. But that one notification that came knocked over like at least 10 minutes of work. And this is one notification. You know how many notifications most people get. I'm actually on the low side because I deleted all social media, so I don't get that many notifications, but many people get a lot of notifications. Imagine having your phone next to you while you're working and every 2 minutes comes a notification. I don't know how people work like that if this one notification knocked my focus for 10 minutes. So here's a quick productivity hack that can really save you so much time on work, whatever the work is. If you have a business like I do, or if you have just schoolwork and you have to study, this will save you a bunch of time regardless. Here's specifically what you need to do. So you know how your vision is like, you have the thing you're focusing on, but you also have like the whole zone of what you see on, even on the sides, like peripherally. You have to remove your phone from the zone of from the complete zone of what you see. So your phone has to be either behind you or behind some object, so you don't see it even with your peripheral vision. When you have something inside of your zone of vision, you will subconsciously think about it and go to check it, for if it's your phone, for example. This can be used also in a positive way, so that this is a bonus tip. If you want to drink more water, you can put a water bottle or a glass of water inside of your peripheral vision. You will subconsciously drink a little bit every now and then without even thinking about it. So there is advantages of this psychological trick, but there is also disadvantages, because if you have your phone somewhere in that zone, your brain will subconsciously think to take it and check it every now and then, and this is going to be really bad for your workflow because it will be constantly interrupting your work. Therefore, hide your phone from your vision and you will double your productivity. Also, it is important to turn the sound off, because as you heard in my story, I did hide the phone from my vision, but I heard a notification because I forgot to turn off the sound. This is a problem because a sound will knock your focus even more than having your phone somewhere near. So hide your phone, turn off the sound, and you can check it only once when the work is completely done. If your brain is giving a bunch of excuses of why you can't hide your phone for 1 hour to do the work, you might have to think about your phone addiction for a little bit, because it's 1 hour of work. Whether it's 1 hour or more or less, you can live without your phone for that period of time. You have work to focus on and you don't need to use your phone. Nothing is gonna happen. You're not gonna get no urgent calls and urgent messages in that period of time. And if you do, you're gonna check them later. It's gonna be all right. Hide your phone and focus on your work, because if you can't just do this, you should forget about ever being successful. That's all I had to say for this video. If you liked it and you want to see more, there is plenty of videos on my channel. You can subscribe. That's gonna be very helpful for you and for me. I'm a small channel that could use this support, and if you want to watch another video right away, you can watch this one. And so that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.